Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix audio issues in Apex Legends. And before we start, I just want to say check out my videos on how to increase FPS in Apex Legends, so just click on the card in the top right corner. This is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and what you want to do is just right click on the sounds icon in the bottom right corner. So just right click on it and click on sounds. If you don't have the sound icon, just click on the search bar and type sounds or type sounds, audio, etc. Once you open this, what you want to do is go to the playback tab and click on the speakers that you're using at the moment. So it should have a green tick next to it. Once you click on it, just click on configure. And now what you want to do is click on stereo, click on next again, and click on finish. And basically that should fix the problem. If this doesn't fix the problem, then what you want to do is select stereo 7.1, 5.1 or some other setting that you might have in the audio channels and see what works best for you. If none of these fixes work for you, then what you want to do is open the Origin launcher. And once you open it, what you want to do is go to My Game Library, right click on Apex Legends, and click on Move Game. And now once you click on Move Game, you want to select another hard drive that you might have, or if you install the game on an SSD, then what you want to do is just move it to an HDD if you have it, if you're on a laptop or a PC. And basically that's it. And I've got one more fix for you, and that is to reinstall or to uninstall and install the audio drivers for your computer, for your PC, and to update them. And you can do that by clicking on the search bar and type device manager and open the device manager. Click on the arrow next to sound, video and game controllers. And first of all, what you want to do is basically just right click on the display audio driver and click on uninstall device. Once you uninstalled the device, then what you want to do is uninstall all of the drivers for the sound controllers. So uninstall all of them, and once you do that, just restart your PC and they will be installed automatically. If that doesn't fix the problem, then what you want to do is just right click on them and search for an update. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.